toy in the bucket game! Oops. Sorry. I get so excited to play the toy in the bucket game. Do you want to play? It's so easy and so much fun. First, we wait quietly and listen for a sound. Sometimes the sounds are big, but sometimes they are teeny tiny. Let's try it. Listen. Do you hear anything? You're right. I hear it too. Now guess what? Every time we hear the sound, we put the toy in the bucket. I did it! I love this game. Now it's your turn. Remember, listen for the sound. Then put a toy in the bucket. Ready? Let's play.